Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Quickly find which series proves divergence for ln over n using the comparison test. Let's solve this now. To use the comparison test for divergence, we need to find a smaller series that also diverges. We look at our terms and compare them to simpler known series very carefully. Since the natural log of n is greater than 1 for all values where n is at least 3, our original fraction is strictly larger than 1 over n. That is key. Since the harmonic series 1 over n diverges, our larger series also diverges. Option A is the correct choice for this comparison test. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option A.